Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Vela for anybody that is new. And today I'm going to be doing a makeup look on this look that I'm wearing right here. It is a festival inspired makeup tutorial and it's my first ever time It's my first time to ever attempt to do a festival makeup look, and I had a lot of fun doing this. It is very much just, out there and out of my comfort zone, definitely, but I love kind of just testing myself and challenging myself with makeup looks. And today for this makeup look I used the BH Cosmetics Take Me to Brazil eyeshadow palette for this tutorial. So if you guys have not hit that subscribe button yet, then please hit that down below, that little red button. Just hit that and subscribe to my channel. If you like this video, as always, please give it a big thumbs up. And yeah, let's go ahead and get started.
Alright guys, who is ready to play with some color today? I'm so excited to bust out this palette for this look. We're going to be taking that first pinky shade in the palette and using that as our transition shade and placing that all in the crease area. You know the drill with transition shades. We just blend that out and get ready for the look. Then going in with this very hot pink shade, we're going to place that on the outer corner of the eye and start blending that into the crease. And I'm going to really work this color back and forth and blend it out. With bright shades like this, it can be kind of intimidating to work with them, but just be patient and just take your time blending it out, and I promise you it will all come together in the end. Then I'm going to go in with that next pink shade and use that in the same areas, the outer corner and in the crease area, but I'm going to keep it a little bit lower than that first shade that we used, and I'm going to extend these shadows out a little bit further past my natural eye shape just to make it a little bit more festive and out there and creative. You know what I'm going for, you can see. Then I'm going to go in with this purple shade and put that directly in the inner quarter and slightly into the crease. I'm just using this just to deepen up the outer corner of the eye and add some dimension to the look. Then taking my NYX glitter glue and my NYX gold face and body glitter, I'm going to carve out my crease off camera. I did a half cut crease. I will link my cut crease tutorial down below for you guys. But I'll add that glue onto the cut crease area and then go in with that glitter right where we place that glue using my ring finger, because that is the most gentle finger you can use for your eye area. Then I'm going to be going back in with that purple shade in the palette and just making sure that blends nicely and as much as possible into the glitter to make it look not so harsh. Then taking my blending brush, I'll be going in and blending out all the edges to make sure there's no harsh edges in this look besides that cut crease. Then I'm going to take our makeup wipe and our makeup remover and to clean up all that excess fallout on the eyes, and then do my liner off camera using the NYX white liner. Then I'm going to go in with my highlighter palette from Huda Beauty and take the shade Northern Lights and use that for my brow bone highlight and my inner corner highlight for this look. And I did do my foundation and the rest of my face off camera. I went in with the CoverGirl eyeliner in the shade Blue, I believe, and I used that for my waterline. Then I'll tightline the lower lash line using the blue shade in the palette. And then taking this lighter blue shade, I'll use that to blend out the lower lash line. And for mascara, I'll be using the Essence Princess Mascara for my top and bottom lashes. Then for highlight, of course, I'll be using that Huda Beauty highlight with my damp beauty blender to make it really pop and shine. And then to add an extra little festive look to this whole festival look vibe, I'll be taking that NYX white eyeliner and just adding 4 little dots underneath my eyeliner that I already applied. Then going in with my liquid lipstick from Anastasia Beverly Hills. This is in the shade Unicorn. I'll be using that for my lip color today. Then I will set everything with my Maybelline setting spray, and then I'll go over that setting spray with my damp beauty sponge just to make sure everything melts into the skin as always. And this is the completed look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see you guys in the next one. Make sure you give it a big thumbs up and hit that subscribe button if you have not done so already. Bye guys.